Hi, Ashwin.
How are you?
I've had to ambush you yet again because of the excitement that the Fed is causing. It raised interest rates by 75 points yesterday. And prior to this, it already raised interest rates by 75 points. So I understand that Powell is planning another 75 points sometime in July. So with the potential of 225 basis points of rate hikes penciled in for this year, 2022, and moving forward, can you tell us what all is happening and the most importantly, how to make money in this kind of volatile environment?
Yes, Tessie, of course. And I've got great news for everyone who are watching this video right now. You will not regret staying until the end of the video. Please do that. Otherwise, you will lose out. This is not a gimmick. It's serious.
But you know, Ashwin, it's been a crash correction, whatever you have it, since March. And it's all balls in the air at the moment.
We have something big to tell you. Really, believe me, we have something big to tell you. Now, last night, Powell came very clean. After months of transitory inflation, don't worry, it hit the nail. Because last Friday's inflation was 8.6%. It's crazy. It's a 40-year high. So the Fed cannot play games anymore. It has to do something to bring this inflation down. And just to let everyone know, remind everyone, the actual target for the Fed inflation is only 2%. Now it's 8.6%.
Wow.
So Powell came clean yesterday and said 75 points basis point hike. Okay, and he's already done 75 points. So we're talking 150 basis points in the bag.
Right.
He said in July, we will see further rate hike of between 50 to 75, depending on the economic data. Okay, when he said that, depending on economic data, the Nasdaq went up 397 points. And guess what? We were smiling because we were shorting the Nasdaq as it went up. I'll tell you in a minute what we're doing and why we did what we did. We're talking about 75 times 2, 150 basis point hike, and total another 75 more, 225 basis points.
Yes.
The Nasdaq went up 397 points. Something doesn't make sense here. So the Nasdaq went up and we were shorting the Nasdaq. Now, what Powell made the market realize is this, and he came very clean. He said GDP growth is now downgraded to 1.7% for the entire of 2022 from 2.8%. Very fair. And he said, finally, that the Fed funds rate, that's the gauge that we use to lend money to banks, will rise to 3.4% by the end of this year. Now, this is what we've been saying. When the serious rate hike comes, what do stock investors do?
Yeah.
Okay. I've been saying buy quality companies. But in the short term, even if you buy quality companies, those quality companies will drop. Even a Microsoft can drop. Even an Apple can drop. Apple has down to $130 a share, $132.
I think this is what has been spooking the whole market. Everyone's
so let me tell our viewers the big news here. Please stay and don't tune off this video. Now, in March, while the market was dropping, the usual fund managers thing is to buy the volatility index if a market drops, because fear goes up and the volatility index goes up. But that hedge is not nice because it moves very slowly. It doesn't rush up. And then if you buy the US dollar against the Japanese yen or against the dollar index basket, sometimes that hedge doesn't work because market drops and then sometimes dollar drops. So we were doing a lot of research in our laboratory, asking the algo a lot of questions as to what is the hedge that gives us 95% and more. We don't want 70, 80% hedge. No, we don't want that. Finally, our algo has come up with an index strategy that has got a hedge of more than 95%. In fact, I would say more than 97%. That means to say, right now, with our new index strategy, which we will unveil very shortly in the next 2 days, it can make you money. Listen to this. It can make you money whether market is up or down. And we will be doing an index strategy, meaning we are not investing in physical stocks, in individual stocks. This is something unique that our algo has created. And we'll be unveiling this. I won't tell you too much. So with this, Tessie, you will see a great improvement in your weekly P&L and starting this week. Because
I can't wait.
Strategy has now changed. This index strategy, we have also put our high net worth clients in here.
Yeah.
And for the man on the street, we are making it very affordable. only $50,000 committed capital.
To
And
start
you can
this.
make- and you can make, to start with, and you can make money both ways. Not only make money both ways,
And both ways, by that you mean
up or
up
down.
market and down market?
Yes, mean when market goes up, you will make money. When market goes down, you will make money. This is not a gimmick. This is not a joke. We are serious because
I'm going to have
I repeat.
another call
Yes.
with you specifically for this.
let me repeat.
Mm,
The index strategy. It's not a strategy of buying individual stocks. And this
Okay.
strategy, I must say strongly, this strategy is better than buying bonds. It's better than buying the US dollar, and it's better than buying the volatility index. I'm very excited
Okay.
because right now, Tessie, I don't know whether you've checked your latest statement. I mean, I'm watching your account right now. Right now, as we speak, you are up today because right now, as you speak, the NASDAQ is down 286 points. And all of our clients, including you, Tessie, are making money. So this is what I mean by market up, market down doesn't matter. Our
Right.
new buzzword, and we are a bit snobbish on this, market direction is for amateurs. Seriously.
Excellent. Ashwin, if you would just clarify for me, so this very aggressive interest rate hikes has been what has been causing the market volatility,
Yes.
correction,
Correct.
whatever you
So let me
call
bring
it.
you back. And Powell
Yes.
said this very nicely. I mean,
Yeah.
before you jump up the curb and press the panic button, he said, we do see inflation flattening this year, at the end of this year, once the supply chain normalizes. You see,
Mm,
frankly speaking, I'm very sad about this. What will actually cause this inflation to diffuse straight away is if the Ukraine war stops. But you and I know it's getting messier. Putin is getting very difficult. And the Ukraine war has made this inflation even more exaggerated because the oil price has gone up, and that has caused the 8.6% inflation actually is mainly due to oil. Because right now in US, they're paying more than $5 per gallon for gasoline. And that's
Yes.
what's causing this. But again, I say, when that happens, we as investors, we invest in the energy complex. We invest in energy strategies. And you, as well as my clients, are making money because of that. So don't
So I
be
need to stop
heartened.
you right there.
Don't be heartened by the bad news. Act when things get messy like this. You listen to us. Of what we analyze is what caused, like you said, whether interest rate up, interest rate down, whether market up, market down. How do we make money? That's what it is.
Listen. So I'm here as the facilitator to make sense of your expertise and break it down into everyday language for our
Yes.
retail investors, right?
Yes.
Now, I need you to say, to tell us, you have this product where you buy equities, and now you're introducing a new product,
Yes.
this index that is slightly different.
Index strategy is index strategy.
Okay, this index strategy that is different in the sense that it doesn't buy individual stocks. And the most important thing is that you can make money in up or down markets.
That's correct. So let me clarify. It's an index strategy. It doesn't buy individual stocks. It doesn't buy the US dollar, as people normally do. It doesn't invest in the fear index.
So what difference would it make?
And it doesn't buy bonds as well.
So what difference would it make for me, the investor?
Yes, because with this strategy, it's a very clean strategy. Because we don't buy bonds and VIX index and US dollar, it is a direct hedge strategy, meaning the moment the NASDAQ drops, you make money. The moment the NASDAQ goes up, you make money. Depends on how we are positioning. So this
for this index strategy, you are asking $50,000.
Committed capital, minimum amount $50,000.
Okay.
And on the profits, we will take 20% performance fee for our work.
Right. So the other program that we are all in with you now is includes equities and other.
The other program, which is 100,000 minimum, that includes everything. It'll be index strategy plus everything else. So if you have $100,000, we can do everything for you, including index strategy. So actually both work hand in hand. But if you only have 50 to start with, we can do only index for you. But if you have 100,000, we can do individual stocks plus index strategy, which you make even more money. You really even make more money.
I'm going to call you out on that the next round just to speak more detail about this.
Yes.
But I want to come back to how this whole thing was birthed. This very aggressive interest rate hikes
Yes.
and inflation has caused this market volatility since March.
Yes.
And hence you're suggesting this product.
No, actually, it's not because of inflation. Don't get it wrong, Tessie. We are suggesting this product because of, from now onwards, we don't want to only sit down and watch the market drop and say, our paper loss is widened and we only can buy the US dollar and the fear index, and our options are too limited.
Okay.
Our
So you're
algo
widening the options.
It's widening the options, and we can now make money, like I said, regardless of market direction. This is nothing, this new product has got nothing to do with inflation. Let me stress.
I like your creativity, is what I'm
So
saying.
look, Tessie, let me stress. This product has got nothing to do with inflation or the Ukraine war or whatever. This product now is ready, a new baby that's born to make money regardless of market direction.
Yeah. Great. I'm saying that it was born because of this chaotic volatility.
It gave us this chaos.
Yes.
This chaos gave us the inspiration
Yeah.
to develop this product.
Well, I'm happy to hear that we'll be making money either way.
Yes, you will. You'll make money either way. So,
Yeah.
so for that, we only charge you a yearly subscription fee of $5,000 US, which I'm not bragging. You can cover in 3 months.
Okay, coming back, the last word, coming back to the Fed and Powell,
Yes.
after yesterday, what do you see going forward?
If you want to invest in individual stocks, don't give up on the market. You see, for example, let me give you a live example. 2 days ago, market was panicking, right? Since last week, the NASDAQ was down 1,500 points back to back. But on Tuesday, Oracle went up 12%, 13% in value because its earnings were very good. Oracle's customer cloud computing sector, cloud computing engagement by the customers was up 108%. So this is exactly what we've been saying. When market drops like this, senselessly, without logic, at the end of the day, what sets a company apart from other companies is the holy grail, earnings. If Oracle can give you 108% customer engagement and cloud growth, Oracle is Oracle, right? Do I give a damn about the NASDAQ index dropping? And this is what I mean. That this is what you appoint us for. But let me tell you something. All those who always say, I can do it myself. Yes. 2 years ago, you throw a stone, you buy any stock, and you will definitely make money. Why? Because the market is going all the way up. It's a bull market. The Fed is pumping in money. What we said, the juice bowl is there. Everything is fine. Now with this drop, the market is no more broad-based. Please listen to this. The market is no more broad-based. When the index goes up, okay, due to good earnings, only certain companies will perform, not all companies. So you have to now have the service, our service or any advisor service to know, very importantly, what to buy and what not to buy. It is
And
no
what to
market.
do when you receive a margin call.
No, that's
or
that's
before that call comes along.
Margin call is now because of volatility. I'm
Yeah.
saying the normal, when the market stabilizes, let me warn everyone, when the market stabilizes, when the index goes up, when the market stabilizes, like last night, 397 points up for the NASDAQ. But let me warn you, not every stock went up. So now it's a different ball game. It's no longer a broad-based ball game where everything will go up when the market goes up. No, you need the service of a specialist, of a professional to tell you what will go up and what will not. So don't tell me I can do it myself. Please do it yourself. And you can, when you do it yourself,
and I think that it's not just a basket, but you do customize your expertise, your advice.
Expertise basing on how much money you have and how much time you can wait.
Okay. Now I think everybody should have at least a call or a conversation with you, Ashwin. How do we call you? How do we contact you? Get in touch with you?
Well, on WhatsApp, contact us at bit.ly/algotrader. Our email is ashwin@ppchk.net. and our YouTube channel, bit.ly/Algo Wealth, where you can view all our videos, including this one.
And I'll be calling you in the next day or so to talk about this index strategy.
Yes, and before I sign off, Jessie, this just came to my mind.
Okay.
The new product about making money both ways.
Hmm.
If our viewers are interested, or if we get interesting response, I don't mind doing a Zoom call with all the people who can come into the Zoom room and do a Zoom call for all the people.
To ask you questions.
Ask me questions about this new product where you make money both ways.
Okay.
I would be happy to answer, do a forum, and anybody can sign into the Zoom, and we can maybe schedule that, I don't know, Sunday afternoon.
Yeah, I can organize that for you.
And anybody can come in and ask me a question. We don't have a specific name for this product. Basically, this product enables you to make money both ways, market up or market down. It's only 50,000 US minimum committed capital, and it does not deal in individual stocks. It's a pure 100% index strategy.
Okay.
I will not go into details, because if I tell you too many things, then I'm getting the cat out of the bag, and then I can't do that.
Well, you can count me in. I'm in there.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Jessie.
So I'll see you in the next couple of days, Ashwin. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.